Hey tea lovers and health seekers. Have you heard of Soursop tea? This tropical wonder might just be the most powerful tea you're not drinking yet. From fighting cancer cells to giving you better sleep at night, today we're diving into the real health benefits of Soursop tea. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Soursop, also known as Graviola or guanabana, is a spiky green fruit packed with antioxidants. But it's the leaves, not the fruit, that are brewed into a medicinal tea, used for centuries in the Caribbean, South America, and Africa. Let's kick it off with the big one: cancer. Soursop leaves contain powerful plant compounds called acetogenins, which have been studied for their ability to target and destroy cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells largely unaffected. That's right, nature's own precision weapon. Studies have shown that these acetogenins can inhibit ATP production in cancer cells, basically starving them of the energy they need to grow and multiply. That's like cutting the power to a dangerous machine. It just shuts down. In lab and animal studies, Soursop leaf extract has shown promise against cancers like breast, colon, prostate, lung, and even pancreatic, which is one of the hardest to treat. Some researchers have even called it natural chemotherapy without the side effects. Now, let's be clear, this isn't a miracle cure, and human clinical trials are still needed. But the early science is promising enough that it's caught the attention of researchers around the world. Drinking Soursop tea regularly could be one piece of a larger, holistic approach to cancer prevention. If you're managing your blood sugar, or just trying to avoid that dreaded sugar crash, Soursop tea might be your secret weapon. Studies suggest that Soursop leaves can help improve insulin sensitivity and slow down the absorption of glucose in the bloodstream. That means fewer highs, fewer lows, and more stable energy throughout your day. In one animal study, diabetic rats given Soursop leaf extract saw a significant drop in blood glucose levels over just 2 weeks. The compounds in the leaves work by enhancing the function of beta cells in the pancreas, the cells responsible for insulin production. And here's the best part: it's natural, caffeine-free, and doesn't come with the side effects of many blood sugar medications. Of course, it's not a replacement for medical treatment, but as a supportive herbal remedy, it's definitely worth a spot in your routine. If you often feel shaky, tired, or irritable after eating carbs, this tea might help you smooth those rollercoaster rides. Let's talk about your immune system, your body's natural defense army. Soursop tea is like giving that army better weapons and stronger shields. Why? Because it's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural anti-inflammatory agents that help your immune cells detect and fight off invaders faster. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, while antioxidants protect those cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can weaken your immune response and lead to illness. The leaves also contain bioactive compounds like quercetin and camphorol, which are known for their ability to modulate the immune system and reduce inflammation throughout the body. So whether it's flu season, allergy season, or you're just run down from stress, sipping Soursop tea regularly can help keep your immune system sharp and ready. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated to our latest health and nutrition tips. Now let's give some love to the liver, your body's detox superhero. It filters out toxins, processes nutrients, and keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Soursop tea helps by giving your liver exactly what it needs to thrive. Soursop leaves contain antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and hepatoprotective compounds, fancy word for liver protecting. These help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major cause of liver damage over time. When your liver is under constant attack from processed foods, alcohol, or environmental toxins, it gets inflamed and sluggish. But Soursop tea has been shown in some animal studies to help prevent fat buildup, repair liver cells, and even normalize liver enzymes, which are markers of liver function. It's not a detox gimmick, it's gentle, ongoing support for one of your most hard-working organs. Think of it as a daily reset for your liver, especially when combined with a healthy diet. Now let's talk about sleep, because if you're tossing, turning, or staring at the ceiling at 2 a.m., Soursop tea might just be your new bedtime ritual. This tea has natural sedative properties that help calm your nervous system and ease your body into a restful state. Soursop leaves contain compounds like ananine and alkaloids that interact with your brain's neurotransmitters, especially those linked to relaxation, like serotonin and GABA. The result? Less mental chatter, lower anxiety, and a smoother transition into deep sleep. It's like a gentle lullaby in a cup. Unlike melatonin or over-the-counter sleep aids, Soursop tea won't leave you groggy the next morning. You just wake up feeling refreshed. Pair it with a good wind-down routine. Think journaling or soft music, and you might just sleep like a baby. A very relaxed, tropical fruit-scented baby. Ready to brew your first cup? Making Soursop tea is super simple, and a little bit soothing in itself. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Take 5 to 7 dried soursop leaves. You can find them online or at herbal shops. Step 2. Give them a quick rinse to remove any dust. Step 3. Add them to 2 to 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Step 4. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. This pulls out all the nutrients and flavors. Step 5. Turn off the heat. Let it steep for 5 more minutes, then strain. You can sip it plain or add a touch of honey, lemon, or cinnamon for flavor. Drink it warm or chilled. It's delicious either way. How much to drink and for how long? Start with 1 cup a day, especially in the evening if you're using it for sleep. For general health support, that's more than enough. Use it for no more than 30 consecutive days, then take a 1 to 2 week break. This cycle helps prevent your body from adapting or becoming sensitive to its active compounds. Think of it like any herbal remedy. You want to give your body a chance to respond and reset. Okay, let's talk side effects. Because while Soursop tea has tons of benefits, it's not for everyone. Drinking too much can lead to nausea, low blood pressure, and in rare cases, neurological issues, especially if taken in large doses over long periods. Some studies suggest a possible link to nerve-related conditions similar to Parkinson's when consumed excessively. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or liver conditions, talk to your doctor before starting. The key is moderation and mindfulness. Respect the plant, and it can work wonders. So whether you're drinking Soursop tea to heal, to sleep, or just to unwind, know that you're sipping something powerful, ancient, and deeply nourishing. So there you have it. Cancer fighter, sugar balancer, sleep enhancer, and it tastes great. Soursop tea isn't magic, but it's pretty darn close. Would you try it? Drop a comment below and let me know. Hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more wellness tips, and share this video with someone who loves natural health remedies. Until next time, stay healthy.